In this video, we see the discovery of protons. In the last video, we have seen the discovery of electrons. Even though many scientists were contributed to find one of the subatomic particle, that is electron, J.J. Thomson gets overall credit to discover the electron because he found the characteristic of negatively charged particle and he named the particle as electron and he found the E by M ratio. Based on this, Goldstein thought that atom being electrically neutral in nature, it should be necessarily possess positively charged particles to balance the negatively charged electrons. Goldstein repeated the cathode ray experiment by using a perforated cathode and applying a high voltage under low pressure. He observed a faint red glow on the wall behind the cathode. Since these rays originated from the anode, they were called anode rays or canal rays or positive rays. Anode rays were found as stream of positively charged particles. Now we see the properties of canal rays. They are, unlike the cathode rays, mass of positively charged particles depends upon the nature of the gas present in the cathode ray tube. These are simply positively charged gaseous ions. The second one is the charge to mass ratio of the particles depends upon the gas from which these originate. Third one is the behavior of these particles in a magnetic field or electric field is opposite to that of observed for electron or cathode rays.